Let's hear from DePauw's student body president, JD, about the ways he and other students get involved on and off campus. As Indiana's top liberal arts college, DePauw University has earned a reputation for offering its students countless opportunities to lead. JD, you have the floor.
Thanks for that kind introduction, Alex. As student body president, I am so excited to welcome you to DePauw University. This outstanding institution has provided me the most enriching opportunities in and out of the classroom. It is a true hidden gem right here in Indiana. Now, when I was searching for colleges, my main focus was obtaining a business degree. But little did I know when DePauw reached out to me after I applied that not only would I be able to work towards double majoring in economics and political science, but that I would have the opportunity to lead in so many different areas. As a defensive lineman for the DePauw Tigers football team, I have learned many skills that are applicable in other areas of my life. One of the most important came from legendary coach Nick Morozis, whose rallying cry of DePauw never quits is cornerstone to the DePauw experience. Whether it's on the field during practice or within a meeting for student government, I know that DePauw never quits when facing a challenge. At DePauw, not only am I able to lead in student government, but I'm able to serve as a student athlete advisory council representative, host a weekly radio show on WGRE, America's oldest college FM radio station, serve as an admissions ambassador, and so much more. Your DePauw experience can be as busy or as quiet as you would like. For me, I am using the skills that I have learned from all aspects of my involvement here at DePauw to further myself personally and professionally. The one lesson that I will always hold close, and I know many other students will as well, is that DePauw never quits. That's all I have for now. Back to you, Alex.
DePauw never quits. Love it, JD. Leadership opportunities are the cornerstone of a DePauw education, no matter where you see yourself headed in life. Good luck, my friend, and I'm sure we'll see your name on a voting ballot one day soon.